Hi friends, this video shows how to check for software update. First open settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select system, then go down. So here we can see software update, tap on software update. So now it's searching for software update. So it's showing that there is one software update available. The size of this update is 54.7 MB. So we can tap on this download now and download and install this update. Okay, so I just post it. So this way we can check for software update and install. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.